First gonna make strawberry jam. I'll be the put here. Having strawberry jam. It'll be yummy strawberry jam. And next we need to put in the bread. And we go this. And spread spread it. And the next spread it again. And I like a pie cake. I like Mr. Bread, and he have beautiful thing, and gray and dirty. And he needs gray. Everything he wants, make it. And he have them, baby. Not too much. No.
Okay naman.